I'm going to talk to you about a topic that concerns every person on the planet, living on the planet, and it is global warming. Some people say that there is a little doubt that the planet is warming. Well, over the last century, the planet's temperature has risen by 1 degree Fahrenheit, which is 0.6 degree of Celsius. The United Nations Panel on Climate Change projects that the global temperature will rise from 3 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the century's end. This is enough to have the polar caps all but melted. So this will, if the ice caps will melt, this will cause flooding all over the place, and in fact, most of the countries will be under the water. That means that our houses and our lives will be all underwater. So what can we do as individuals for our planet? The answer is much simpler than you think. You can start, I will give you a couple of tips on how to save our planet. Firstly, plant a tree. This might sound very complicated, but in fact it is absolutely not. You can join or help out a local wildlife group and ask them to plant a tree. That will help the planet because plants, when they are fully grown, they help to cool down our temperature. The same thing you can do by joining some protests on rainforest cutting because of the same reason. Forests just cool down our planet. Sometimes just walking instead of taking a car will also reduce the pollution. So next time when you take a car or bus, just think about whether you want to walk or take a bus. Also, that will benefit your body because, exercising. When you are at home and you feel a little cold, don't turn off the heating, just put a different layer of jumper on in winter because heating your house is also very bad for environment. If possible, buy your fruit and vegetables from local suppliers. That way we will reduce the pollution created by airplanes when these fruits and vegetables are imported. If possible, use solar energy because first of all it is free, and second of all the only thing that you need to do is to buy the equipment for that. And you can regulate hot water heating and electricity using solar energy. And the golden rule is recycle, reuse, and reduce. So don't buy anything that you don't need, recycle everything that you can, and reuse whatever you can, all the cans and bottles and plastic bags. And don't use plastic bags, by the way. And, yeah, I think this is it. Thank you. Use all my advice.